So I want to introduce you to the granddaddy of all our lasers, the Fotona SP Dynamis. This is a great laser. This could run the whole spa by itself. It does hair removal laser. It does cellulite along with our Selfina. Now this right here covers such a large distance on the cellulite of the legs and buttocks that we can get through basically a treatment in under 5 minutes a leg. And this is called the L runner. And what we do is we combine our Selfina, which takes a drill-like object under the skin, under local, separates the bands and pushes the bands out of the cellulite, and then on the skin surface, because there's still a little bit of mild undulations of the skin, then we take care of the skin undulations with the tight lace. So this is called tight lace. Today I think I'm gonna coin a word called stretch mark lace, because this also does stretch marks. Okay, not this handle, but you take a handle like this, and we can come across and just paint the stretch marks and start to shrink them. I'm not saying it's gonna be 100% removal, but we can take a stretch marks that's about 2 to 3 millimeters and eventually over time make it less than 1 millimeter. And I mentioned before that this is our second laser for vaginal tightening. And this machine is an erbium vaginal tightening called Intimilase. And what it does is, again, it sticks a glass-like tube in the vagina and fires in a 360 direction. And when you do that, you heat the mucosa up and it shrinks. It actually shrinks. You can see the heat into the mucosa and shrinking this up quite considerably. With that, women get an intensely different sexual experience because now things have shrunk, whereas maybe you've had a baby, stretched the canal, and now things are better. The side effect of Intimilase has been that the bladder incontinence that has been once the bane of existence of women who've had vaginal deliveries, they started to see that it went away, so they concentrated on, after you do the Intimilase, and just to concentrate on the top wall of the vagina where the bladder urethra comes through, is that when that is when the energy is placed into that, you start to see that urethra starts to become a little bit more 90 degrees, which reduces the sneeze with ejection of urine and the incontinence that you see. And women love that. Guys and women who snore. We take this laser, open up the back of your mouth, and through one of these hand pieces, we do what they call night lace. And night lace takes the laser and we hit the soft palate, the uvula, all the way down to the tonsillar area, the back of your tongue, the edges of the back of the teeth, and the pillars around the pharynx. So we're very excited. We have tight lace, Intimilase, Incontilase, night lace, and stretch mark lace. I just made that up, but it really does do well with that. And then we love this machine. I have 2 of these, and it's just an incredible buy.